Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a functional desktop mode with just your smartphone and computer. We need a few applications for it. First is Screencopy. It is an excellent open source software that can mirror your display and supports audio forwarding on Android 11 and above. To make it work, you need to enable USB debugging under developer options. You can make developer options visible by tapping the build number 8 times. Once done, connect your phone with the USB cable and run the Screencopy executable. To get the desktop feel, we want a launcher that supports landscape mode. I am using Winx Launcher with screen rotation enabled. If you try to type something, you will notice that your phone's keyboard pops up. Install No Keyboard. Open it and make it your default keyboard. Try to type again. You will see a slider at the bottom. Slide it to the left. Now display. Go to settings and increase the DPI. For HD display, use 720. For Full HD, put 1080 and similarly for others. Right-click works as the back button. Let's see what the browsing looks like. Open Chrome or any other browser that can support desktop-like tabs. Search something in the address bar and press enter. Select the desktop set from the menu if you encounter a mobile website. Open the Wikipedia article link. As you can see, you can read just like on any PC. Next up is Office Suite. Let's open Microsoft Office. If you are enjoying so far, like this video and consider subscribing. Let's open a blank document. These are some of the options available in the ribbon menu. Let's write something to check the performance. As you can see, it works great. Right-click to go back. Now let's open a new spreadsheet and try a simple calculation. It works as expected. Now let's try to replicate the formula across the cells. It is awesome, isn't it? Try other Office suites and let me know which one you like. If you are a gamer, consider QT-Scrcpy, a fork of Screencopy that provides a better interface for key controls. The best I can show you right now is FreeCell. After exploring all this, trust me when I say that, in just 5 minutes, you will forget this is not a PC. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.